How to play Ludo in Messenger. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to assist you today. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Facebook app. Then on search bar, search for Ludo World. Then you can see here there is a play option on this page. Tap on it. Then it will lead to the Messenger. Tap and play on Facebook. You can play with your Messenger connected friends from this. Wait while it loads. Tap and invite. Tap and invite again. Now you can send playing requests to your Messenger friends. And once they join, you can play with them. And that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.